everyone, and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video, we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Well, guys, I said over the weekend that Mr. Market is hot for AI and quantum computing stocks, and boy, was I right. The market started off the week off with a bang today as AI stocks just went nuts. Building on the meteoric rally last week, NVIDIA closed up just under 3%, but the stock was as high as just under 420 today. Quite a move in NVIDIA. It's unbelievable. It has a $1 trillion market cap now, and it's trading like a penny stock. It is just absolutely mind-blowing, the moves that we are seeing in NVIDIA. The shorts are absolutely getting squeezed. They're getting their asses handed to them. They're all trying to top tick NVIDIA. So again, I love seeing what's going on in the AI names. Today, NVIDIA put out 7 separate press releases over the past 24 hours. It's just absolutely feeding the market's desire for anything AI related. Among them were a slew of products and services tied to artificial intelligence, like an AI supercomputer platform called DGX GH200. Google, Meta, and Microsoft are expected to be its first big customers, which could help them create successors to ChatGPT. And then the other name running AI closed up 33%, trading even higher in the after hours, closed at just near the highs of the day. We're going to get earnings tomorrow after the close. The consensus EPS estimate is for the company to lose 17 cents, and the consensus revenue estimate is $71.34 million. Over the last year, AI has beaten estimates 100% of the time and has beaten revenue estimates 75% of the time. Today, over 100 million shares were traded. This is more than 4 times the average daily volume of the enterprise software maker. The Thomas Siebel-led company reported preliminary results earlier this month that had topped estimates. At the time, C3.ai said it generated revenue between $72.1 million and $72.4 million for the period ending April 30th, which exceeded Wall Street's and the company's own guidance. In addition, the company said it generated between $28.1 million and $29.5 million in net cash from operating activities, while free cash flow for the period was between $18 million and $19.4 million. On an adjusted basis, it lost between $23.7 million and $23.9 million from operations, again exceeding its own guidance. In a statement, C3.ai said enterprise AI activity is more than the company has seen since inception and seems to be accelerating as it closed 43 deals during the quarter, including 19 pilots. And again, in terms of the stock right now, it could be buy the rumor, sell the news. We got 28% of the float is short. I've been covering this one a lot. You can go to insiderfinancial.com and it's right on the homepage, or you can go into the magnifying glass, type in any ticker, and you can see what I've had to say about these particular names. Right now, though, AI, the RSI is extremely overbought. It's at 84. don't go chasing if you're not already in. Wait for a pullback. If you are long, which many of our subscribers are, use a trailing stop, protect those gains. Again, we're getting earnings after the close tomorrow. It could be buy the rumor, sell the news. With this just unbelievable move, you always have to worry about protecting your profits, but this is a clear breakout, and it shows you that the overall trend in these AI names is indeed higher. Today, CXAI was even a bigger mover today, closed up 53%. This is a recent IPO, 18% of the float is short. So CXAI. I'm going to go through a couple of names. These are in addition to NVDA AI. These are small caps. Put these on your radar screen as these are AI plays. GSIT, talked about this one a lot. This one got the classic moves. This was a shout out on Fox Business by Lou Basenese. Ran all the way to $7, pulled back to $4, made another move to $7. We got a double top right there at the 735 area. We're here at 625. We get above there, and it's blue skies ahead on GSIT. BFRG, really like this one because it's just a $34 million market cap, 1.7 million share float. So this one here can really get going because you're just going to see a lot more people coming into these AI names looking for these anything AI related that has really not made the big move like AI or NVIDIA. IDAI, another one, just a $13 million market cap, 3 million share float. This one has a history of price spikes. Looks like here we're getting ready to make another move. This one here was trading last month. Hit $6.50. So pay attention to IDAI. Next up is SOUN. 9% of the float is short. The company had earnings earlier this month. First quarter revenue increased 56%. The company here is a global leader in voice artificial intelligence. The company said the incredible surge in demand for conversational AI is giving SoundHound a unique advantage. As an established innovator with years of experience providing AI solutions to world-class brands, we're fast becoming an obvious partner for businesses looking to harness emerging capabilities. Our SoundHound Chat AI platform now offers the most powerful voice assistant available today, and it's one of many ways we're helping new and existing customers build game-changing consumer experiences. So again, put this one on your radar screen. Next up is one of my favorites, Palantir, guys. This one was trading $40 back in 2021 after its IPO. We have a lot more room for this one to run, and you can see this bullish momentum is building. RSI a little bit overbought at 74. Use a trailing stop, but again, I like this one over the long run. So this is a nice long-term play. If you're not already in, like I said, look at buying dips. Next up is APLD. Needs to break above $10. Got major trend line resistance right there. You get above $10 and it's blue skies ahead. So again, APLD, watch this one for a breakout above $10. Next up is IONQ. This is a quantum computing play, also running into resistance right here at $11, major trend line resistance. And for those of you guys, you can use finviz.com and you can see these, it draws the trend lines for you automatically. So you can, it's always a resource that I always use to maybe catch a trend line that I'm not, that I'm missing or that I'm not able to draw on my own chart, or, you know, because again, charts are subjective. Everyone has different charts, different things that we're looking at. And sometimes if you get a different view of a different chart, it'll be like, oh, why didn't I see that? You know, if I'm just looking at my trading view charts or etc. and I don't have the trend line drawn, it shows you what you could be missing, and it allows you to, you know, maybe not be in that trade. And right now, because of AI and everything going on right now, we're going to get the debt ceiling. It looks like the debt ceiling deal is going to pass. We have risk on sentiment in the markets, and that means it is short squeeze time. And there's a couple of short squeeze plays that I am looking at. First up, CHPT. 18% of the float is short. Nice move today, up 14%, but this one has a lot more room it can run. It was trading last summer back at $20. We're here at under $10. I'll be looking for this one as a longer term play, and it's a EV charging play. Next up is Carvana. This is one of my favorites. I've done very, very well this year trading this one. Carvana was up 16%, trading over 14 in the after hours. 50% of the float is short. Get this one on your radar screen. I think we're going to see some major short action this week in Carvana. FNGR, nice rounding bottom here, closed up 13%. The company came out with earnings after the bell. The company said here, revenue streams from mobile recharge SMS is pleased to report its fiscal year results. Reported annual revenue of $34.05 million, which was an increase of $11.12 million or 49% compared to fiscal year 2022. Company reported gross profits of $2.32 million. We'll be certainly watching this one tomorrow. I had $9.24 million in cash, working capital surplus of $15.23 million. So we'll be watching this one tomorrow. Next up is MVIS, closed up 10%, making a nice move here on the verge of a breakout. 28% of the float is short. This one here is one that we've covered a lot here at InsiderFinancial.com. If you screen out and look here, you can see where it was trading on the weekly chart. I mean, this one was $28 back in 2021. So again, solid support here at $2 coming off that. Next resistance is $6. So again, we get above there, and we're going to make a nice run to $10. So keep this one on your radar screen. Next up is UPST, another one making a nice rounding bottom here. 35% of the float is short, and look at where this one was. I mean, this one was $400 back in 2021. Absolutely, stock collapsed, but look at this over the past 4 weeks. We've been having green weeks. 35% of the float is still short. I think this one can really, really run, so pay attention to UPST. And lastly, guys, is IEP. This is Icon Enterprises. Charlie Gasparino's out with a tweet today. Scoop. Carl Icahn telling people that he's plotting his next move against Hindenburg at the right time because revenge is best served cold, sources say. Nate Anderson, who is Hindenburg, he said, that's great, but does this revenge fantasy at any point include Carl disclosing the details of his margin loans and private asset valuations, i.e. the only relevant information the market actually needs? The thing is, IEP, I think he's got a good cash position. I think he's getting ready to squeeze the shorts. Borrow rates have gone through the roof. It's not going to take much to get these short scrambling covering. So again, no position right now. I am watching this one. I've traded it for the past couple of weeks from the long side. I've not shortened it. I've made money both times. I'm looking. I'm really looking for a catalyst. I'm looking for buy and hold in IEP. A lot of people have been trying to pick the bottom on this. So again, I don't know what Carl's thinking. If he's looking to do an LBO or if he's looking to accumulate stock, again, he wants it to go lower. He wants to buy as low as possible. So again, that's the thing that I'm concerned about. I want to see, I don't know if he's going to let it drop to 16 or what, and then scoop it up. So again, he's getting ready. He's plotting something. I am not privy to that information. I wish I was. But we'll see what happens. But I think this one here is definitely one you should have on your radars as a major short squeeze play. But guys, right now everything is all about AI, and we're doing a lot of research here at InsiderFinancial.com for our subscribers on under the radar AI and quantum computing stocks. To get any of our small cap reports, again, we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, and of course AI and quantum computing stocks. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared, unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Again, it's completely free, no obligation, guys. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification button to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Hope everyone has a great day tomorrow. Let's all have a big week. Bye-bye.